Hi, everyone, and thanks for joining June's Demo Day. Presenting WOOSAH. I'm Ayana. Also on my team is Elizabeth, Shavin, who's based in Canada, Gogol, our developer, based in India, and Michelle, our advisor, who's based in the EU. So what's the problem we think we're going to solve? According to APA, 85% of professional young adults suffer from work-related stress. Furthermore, according to CNN and their KFF study, 1 in 4 young adults since the pandemic identified personal relationships and work as major points of stress. We got really curious about this data that we found and wanted to dive a little bit deeper with our own subset of users to further validate that this problem needs a solution. And 75% of them said they do have a problem with work stress. 83% of them said they need activity or relationships to help solve this problem. And over 67% of them said they lack consistency in doing the things that help them to solve it, and they want motivation to do so. Now, our user population is comprised of white-collar young professionals in the age range of 25 to 45, right within this professional young adult space. And we decided that this 67% of lack of consistency and need for motivation was worth us digging into a little bit further to further analyze if this is a problem worth trying to solve. Thus, our problem statement is 75% of white-collar young professionals struggle to consistently de-stress. And our evidence from further research showed us mental health imbalance due to work stress contributed to 31% of people working too many hours or thinking about work a lot after work. They're challenged with prioritizing mental health, often overwhelmed, and not even sure where to begin to de-stress. And though they have a decent handle on coping, they crave routine and consistency in the long term. Taking a step back at our network, first of all, they're international. 55% of them are in the USA, which is exciting because the other percent of them are in Ireland, China, Canada, and more. 45 of our users went along this journey with us over the course of 10 weeks with user surveys, interviews, and prototype testing. 75% of them are in tech, with a few others in finance, healthcare, and HR. We needed to create a proto persona to help us develop a user story to drive home the clarity around a potential solution. So meet Victor. He's a calm seeker with work stress, navigating a new promotion, short-staffed, managing tight deadlines, training a new hire simultaneously. A lot is going on, and he's taking work home, and it's cutting into his normal life outside of work. He lacks work-life balance, and he lacks stress awareness. He knows he needs de-stressing routines and all-inclusive motivation and support. Thus, our solution. WOOSAH helps busy people seeking stress relief develop consistency in their approach to mental wellness via our 90-day formula designed to help you form the habit of de-stressing through self-care activities and goal tracking. Ultimately, WOOSAH is where de-stressing becomes habit. But why would the 75% want to use us? Well, we have a holistic approach to habit forming via that 90-day formula of self-care tracking, stress level changing, and goals to build that consistency. We're also all-inclusive, providing what's also important to our user base, which is getting a break from screens, whether that's their phone, their television, or their laptop. Digital-free self-care routines. And we offer peaceful inspiration through our app. I'm going to take you through our product demo very quickly.
App WOOSAH. As a returning user, I've already logged into the app and I'm prompted to set goals for the week. Since WOOSAH is designed around a 90-day habit-forming stress relief period, each week we ask our users to designate how much time per day they want to commit to de-stressing. I'm going to say I want to do 20 minutes, or I want to say I'm going to do about 2 activities per week. I save those preferences and then I continue, and I'm able to log what specific activities I've already completed. I can scroll to see the different types of activities, and I choose which one I want to log. I'm going to say I did a digital detox. I completed it last night by taking about 20 minutes away from my phone. I save and continue to confirm that that activity has been logged. And now I'm going to be asked about my stress level. So after that activity, how stressed did I feel? I felt pretty good. I'm going to designate my stress level and once again save and continue. Then I'll be routed to our progress tracking. We have weekly and overall progress tracking. Weekly allows me to see my weekly goal, how many activities I've already completed this week, and what % of my weekly goal I've achieved. It also shows me my average stress level for the week. Overall lets me see how far I've progressed in the 90-day period and what my average stress level has been. Both of these are designed to help provide motivation and accountability to our users.
So diving a little bit further into what our competitors are doing in comparison to not only what we just presented as our MVP demo, but our future scoped product. And we have consistency tracking, calendar integration, AI personalization, and non-digital activities, which really stand out to our user base who want breaks from screens, all screens. So across Headspace, Calm, Balance, and Maru Health, who are doing similar parts of these four categories, WOOSAH covers them all. Now let's talk about this roadmap transformation over our now, next, later point of view. Now, in June, our goal is to soft release a working MVP across 3 initiatives: our customer demands, our prioritized features, and our business goals and North Star metrics. Ultimately, now in this June phase, we're planning to reach a North Star metric of a user satisfaction NPS score of 4.5 or better. Next, for the month of July, our goal is to adapt user experience and design to build early user trust and satisfaction by sustaining our daily active user score at 80%. And later, for August and beyond, our goal is to enhance and expand features to drive happy early adopters. And we hope that we can reach a North Star metric of less than a 3 average user stress score and a 4.0 plus app rating. Our key learnings were quite vast, but we decided to narrow them down to a few key points. Simplicity is what is going to drive our engagement. In all of our user testing and prototype demos, our users kept driving home the fact that when they come to use our product, they need it to be simple, they need it to be clean, and they need it to be stress-free. And they'll likely use it. And then we had to think through, how might we prioritize the user experience over the feature richness? Not cluttering our space, not cluttering our offering to a point where it's overwhelming or it feels like work on our platform. And then we needed to adapt our North Star metrics to ensure that every step of the way on the roadmap journey, we're aligned. At this time, if you want to see further into our product demo, we're happy to take you through it and give you a link for a 14-day period free of charge to check it out for yourself. It takes 90 days to form a habit, but remember to WOOSAH.